Okay, on 46, again, another footnote, says it's related to this guy over here. Looking at it, you might say, how is it related to that? Let's take a look at it. But they say it's going to be related to just simply doing cosine x squared. Let's take a look, see what happens over here. And, the integration by parts again. Let's write down what the integration is. It's this thing over here. Whoops. It's going to be this thing over here. And I hope we're going to eventually see just the cosine x squared there. And let's go to town. Let's see what happens. So u equals, and again, I'm not opposed to giving people hints. Du is going to be, let's see, cosine x squared. I definitely want to see that. But it's going to be a 2x now. All right, so I got that. And let's write down, it's kind of forces me to say that dv is equal to x to the minus 2 dx. So that means the v, I'm integrating now, is going to be x to the minus 1 over minus 1. Right, constant integration will come later. So let's write that down. So this is going to be equal to, I need some more room, so I'm going to go over here. uv, so minus sine x squared, and the x to the minus 1 is just an x in the bottom, minus v du. Well, minus and minus, I'm going to put plus down. And, again, x to the minus 1 is just an x in the bottom. That's v. And the du is cosine x squared, 2x dx. Oops, forgot to put the dx there. What do you get over here? Let's write this down. This is going to give me plus 2 cosine x squared dx. Well, last promise, I said I was going to see that. And what do you mean there? I'm seeing that over here. I wouldn't actually memorize anything, just look at it. And they say you're going to see that. We see that. So when you write down, let's write down the result. Minus sine x squared over x plus 2. Let's see. Let's go back up here and see if we can remember. Root pi over 2. Go back up here again. Oh, the big C function, yeah. Going to take an argument. What's your argument going to be? Well, root 2 over pi times x. Again, we're just looking it up, plus c. There's nothing wrong with doing that, by the way. We're not asked for memorization, nor do we derive these things. So I'm going to look at the answer key and see if we got it, all right? So I definitely see the beginning part. I definitely see that. But then I'm seeing this, 2 root pi, and I kind of understand that too because it looks like they just simply reduced it. All right, 2 over root 2 is just root 2, and root 2 times pi is root 2 pi. So I see that, and then I see this, see that. Everything looks fine. This is a simple reduction. That's all I did. Thank you.